Hey children, what do you do when you feel hungry? You eat food. Yes, you are right. We all eat food when we feel hungry. Every living thing needs food. Even plants, animals, and birds need food. Ollie, when you are hungry and tired, do you feel like playing? No. That is because you don't have energy. We all need energy to work, play, study, sing, and dance. From where do we get all this energy? We get this energy from food. Children, if we don't eat the right food at the right time, we will become weak and we may become unwell or fall sick. Good food habits. Children, we all know that it is important that we eat healthy food. But do you know, Ollie, that the food which we eat should also be eaten properly? Mother, I'm hungry. Please give me something to eat. And be quick, Mom. I'm really very hungry. Yes, child, I'll give you food. But first, you must wash your hands properly with soap and water. Listen, look, look at your hands. There are so many germs on your hands. If you eat food without washing your hands, the germs and the bacteria will go right into your stomach. Then you will fall sick. Listen to me, child. Go quickly and wash your hands. By that time, I'll lay the table for you. Okay, Mom. I'll come in a minute. I'll wash my hands clean and then have my food. We must eat in a clean place and a clean plate. Do you know, Ollie, that we all have to chew our food many times till it is mashed? Only then it should be swallowed. We should close our mouth while chewing our food. Do not talk while eating. First eat your food and then you can talk. Rinse your mouth after eating. It is very important for us to eat a balanced diet. We must have a little bit of everything. Proteins, carbohydrate, sugar, vitamins, and minerals.